Peh, beh. Pat, bat. Mop, mob. Five, ferry. Love, love. Z, sit, zip. Tis, fizz. Jah, jah. Choice, jock. Watch, badge. Kah, gah. Cat, get. Back, bag. Thumb, thumb, them. Thumb, them. Earth, breed. Tah, the. Top, dog. Bat, bad. Z, shoe, genre. This, beige. R, o, rah. Rah. Late, right. Call, car. Call, car. So, explanation number 1. Pat in the initial position and mop in the final position is a voiceless bilabial plosive. Bat in the initial position and mob in the final position is a voiced bilabial plosive. Explanation number 2. In the pairs 5, ferry, and love, love. The difference is in voicing. Is voiceless and less voice. Both are labiodental fricatives, meaning they are produced by touching the bottom lip to the upper teeth. This voicing contrast changes the meaning completely. 5 means 5, very means sangat, love means tertawa, love means cinta. Explanation number 3. In the initial position and in the final position is a voiceless alveolar fricative. In the initial position and the final position is a voiced alveolar fricative. Both are alveolar fricatives, meaning they are made by directing eye flow through a narrow gap near the alveolar ridge, just behind the upper front teeth. This contrast changes the meaning completely. Sit means duduk, while zip means resleting. Kiss means cium, while fizz means desisan air berkarbonasi. Explanation number 4. J is voiceless and J is voice. Both consonants are post-alveolar affricated, meaning they begin as a stop like the or the and release into a fricative. And they are made with the tongue near the back of the alveolar ridge. Choice means pilihan, while jok means lelucon. Watch means jam tangan, while badge means lencana. Explanation number 5. K is a voiceless velar plosive. G is a voice velar plosive. Both consonants are velar plosive, meaning they are made by raising the back of the tongue to the soft palate, velum, stopping the airflow and then releasing it. Cat means kucing, while get means mendapatkan. Back means belakang, while bag. Explanation number 6. F is voiceless and V is voice. Both are dental fricative, meaning they are produced by placing the tongue between or just behind the teeth and letting air pass through. Thumb means ibu jari, while them refers to mereka. Earth means bumi, while breathe means bernapas. Explanation number 7. Teh is a voiceless alveolar plosive. The made by placing the tongue against the alveolar ridge. This contrast changes meaning completely. Top means atas, while dog means anjing. Bad means kelelawar, bad means buruk. Explanation number 8. S is voiceless and Z is voice. Both are post-alveolar fricatives, meaning they are produced by narrowing the space just behind the alveolar ridge, allowing air to pass through and create friction. Explanation number 9. Is a voice alveolar lateral. It's produced by air flowing around the sides of the tongue, lateral approximants, while R is a voice post-alveolar approximant, produced with the tongue near the roof of the mouth, approximant, often curled or bunched. 2. Minimal pairs that represent contrasting consonants in the initial and final position in English. Phoneme k, example word, cook, cold. Voicing is voice, place alveolar, and manner plosive. Phoneme g, example word is good. Voicing, voiceless, place velar, and manner plosive. Phoneme j, example judge, jump, joke. Voicing is voice, place postal alveolar, manner affricate. Phoneme ch, example charming, cheerfully. Voicing voiceless, place affricate, and manner affricate. Phoneme sah, example word silly, sung. Voicing voiceless, place alveolar, manner fricative. Phoneme z, example zebra. Voicing voice, plus. Explanation of consonants in tongue twister. A good cook could cook as much cookies as a good cook who could cook cookies. Minimal pair is good versus cook. Both are velar plosive, made by raising the back of the tongue to the soft palate. G is voice, vocal cords vibrate, while K is voiceless, no vibration. This contrast helps distinguish words like go vs go, game vs came. In this tongue twister, the repetition of G and K sounds increases the challenge in articulating voicing contrasts clearly. Explanation of consonants in tongue twister 2. Charming, judges, cheerfully, jump, and joke. Minimal pair is cheer versus jeer. Both are post-alveolar affricates, a stop plus fricative combination made just behind the alveolar ridge. Ch as in charming, cheer is voiceless, while j as in judges, joke is voice. This contrast often causes difficulty for learners, as the sounds are similar except for voicing. The tongue twister forces rapid alternation between these sounds, testing control of voicing. Explanation of consonants in tongue twister 3. Silly zebras share shoes and sang soft song. Minimal pair is silly versus zebra. Both are alveolar fricatives. The tongue is close to the alveolar ridge with continuous airflow. Sa is voiceless, z is voice. This is a common pair in English minimal pairs. Zip versus zip, buzz versus buzz. The tongue twister emphasizes this contrast through repeated switches in similar environments.